Welcome to today's show. I'm Supriya and joining me is Swetha. We are diving into a topic that's generating a lot of buzz in the Agile community. Can AI take on the Scrum Master's role?
Great to be here, Supriya. And honestly, this is one of those conversations where people have strong opinions, right? So some see AI as a future of guidance, other things it misunderstands what Scrum Masters do.
Right. So let's break it down. What can AI realistically do today? Where does it fall short? And what does this mean for Scrum Masters watching right now?
Yes, what AI can actually do today. So let's start with practical stuffs. AI tools are already handling administrative Scrum Masters tasks like scheduling meeting via tools like Clockwise and generating sprint reports for Jira data and tracking velocity trends and even drafting retrospective summaries with ChatGPT prompts tailored for agile retros.
Right. And that's genuinely useful. I have seen teams use AI to analyze Jira data and surface bottlenecks faster than any human could manually do. It's pattern recognition at scale.
Yeah, exactly. Plus, AI assisted facilitation, like retro bots suggesting retrospective formats such as Sailboat and generating icebreaker prompts based on team's history, or also time boxing discussions in Zoom with automated reminders. Some teams experiment with Otter.ai, listening to stand ups, flagging blockers persisting over days, or even summarizing action items from voice transcripts. So I have heard of startups using these to cut stand-up times by 30% while catching early issues.
Wow. Which sounds helpful on paper. But here's my question. Does automating those tasks actually improve the team? Or does it just make things more efficient on the surface?
That's the tension, right? Isn't it? Like efficiency versus effectiveness. A Scrum Master's job isn't just to run Scrums. It is to build a team that eventually doesn't need them.
Right. And that brings us to the harder question. What can't AI do?
What can't AI do? Yeah. The relational stuffs, right, Supriya? Like reading the room when tension builds between two developers, sensing disengagement without vocal cues, or coaching a product owner through a tough stakeholder chat. So tools might analyze sentiments from Slack threads, but they miss nonverbal frustrations in a live retro.
Correct. So, emotional intelligence basically, right? A
Yes.
Scrum Master might notice that Maria's been quiet for the last three retros and pull her aside for a one on one. But AI might flag decreased participation matrix, but it cannot have that human conversation which you obviously have always had with your team.
Exactly. And also to add on, there is also organizational politics. A good Scrum Master navigates competing priorities, shields the team from pressure, and advocates for resources. That requires trust and diplomatic handling, right? So AI can't replicate, like negotiating with the stakeholder to protect the sprint from an unplanned work.
Correct. Let's talk about coaching. The Scrum Master role is fundamentally about helping teams improve themselves. That requires asking the right questions, sitting with uncomfortable silences, pushing back at the right moments. It's not a script, it's adaptive expertise.
Exactly, Supriya. It's not a script. So AI can give you a list of powerful coaching questions via tools like Coach Accountable. It can't read the moment and either know which one to ask. It can't be a script.
Correct. I see it as an amplification. AI handles the data crunching, the scheduling, the documentation, freeing up Scrum Masters to focus on high value human work. More time for coaching, more time for facilitation, and more time for those halfway conversations that actually shift the team dynamics.
Exactly. So if AI isn't replacing the Scrum Master, what's the real opportunity? So AI helps a new Scrum Master. So new Scrum Master gets 24 by 7 help from AI. Tools like Menti or Retrium suggest ways to run meeting better. Custom AI chatbots gives tips on fixing team fights or new ideas for review sessions. So Jira automation helps to spot pattern which people miss surely, like more bugs after Friday code merges. This lets Scrum Master change team meetings, such as shorter sprints on Friday or extra checks after merges.
Right. And for newer Scrum Masters, AI could be a learning tool,
Exactly.
suggesting facilitation techniques, offering frameworks for handling conflict, providing a sounding board for the retrospective ideas.
Like having an experienced mentor available 24 by 7, right?
Correct. The
Yeah,
teams that will benefit most are probably the ones that use AI to enhance their Scrum Master's capabilities, not substitute for them.
exactly. And let's get practical for the folks who are watching. If you are a Scrum Master today, what you should be doing? Experiment with tools which I've mentioned, like AI generated Jira queries for velocity insights.
Right. So, first of all, do not panic. The core of what makes a great Scrum Master is facilitation, coaching, servant leadership. Those are the deep human skills that aren't going anywhere.
And to add on, get curious about the tools, understand what AI can do. So I have piloted it for automated impediment logs in Trello. The Scrum Master who thrive will leverage them strategically.
Yes. And third, double down on the human skills. If AI handles more of the administrative burden, your value increasingly comes from the relational and coaching capabilities. Invest in those.
Yes, exactly. Invest in learning, right? And finally, to add on, lead the conversation in your organization. Help your team and leadership understand what AI can do and can't do. You are in a perfect shape. You're in a perfect position to shape adoption, like moving a stand-up AI to prove its limits.
Very correct. Because if Scrum Masters don't lead this conversation, someone else will make those decisions for them.
Exactly. So where does this leave us? AI isn't replacing the Scrum Master role, but it's changing it.
I completely agree with you, Shweta. The administrative and analytical parts are increasingly automated. The human parts, building trust, coaching, growth, navigating complexity, those become even more central right now.
Exactly. And the Scrum Master who embrace AI as a tool while depending their human expertise, they will be more valuable than ever.
And the ones who ignore it entirely might find themselves doing work that a tool could handle better.
Exactly. And also the future isn't AI versus Scrum Master for sure. It is AI with Scrum Master, each doing what they do the best.
Thanks for watching. We'd love to hear your thoughts. How are you seeing AI show up in your agile practices?
Yeah. Thank you, team. And thank you, Supriya. Until next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.